Does your skin sometimes look dull, tired, or lifeless? Then today's recipe might be interesting for you. Today, I'm going to share a simple rose and hibiscus herbal tea that you can include as a part of your daily wellness routine. This is not a magic detox drink, and drinking just 1 cup of herbal tea won't give you overnight glowing skin. But along with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, herbal drinks like this can be a simple and enjoyable part of your hydration and overall wellness routine. So let's make this simple herbal tea. First, I'm taking 1 cup of water in a pan. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. I freshly grated the ginger because it can infuse easily into the water this way. Ginger has traditionally been used to support digestion and contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. And if you sometimes experience heaviness or digestive discomfort after meals, ginger-based beverages may feel soothing for some people. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of freshly grated turmeric, also known as fresh turmeric root. If fresh turmeric is easily available to you, you can use it. And if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder instead. Turmeric naturally contains a compound called curcumin, which is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. That's why turmeric has been used in traditional wellness practices for a long time. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rose petals. Here, I'm using dried rose petals. If you have food-grade fresh rose petals available, you can use those as well. Just remember, always use edible or food-grade rose petals. Never consume roses from a flower shop because they may have been chemically treated. Rose petals add a beautiful aroma and a mild floral flavor to herbal infusions. And the best part is that this herbal tea isn't just about the ingredients. Its beautiful flavor and aroma can also make it feel like a soothing wellness ritual. Now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of dried hibiscus petals, also known as dried hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus tea is quite popular for its refreshing and slightly tangy flavor. It naturally contains antioxidant compounds, and hibiscus beverages have also been studied for potential effects on blood pressure. However, if you have a medical condition or take blood pressure medication, it's best to speak with your doctor before consuming hibiscus tea regularly or in large amounts. Now we'll mix all the ingredients well. First, place the pan over high heat and bring it to a boil. As soon as it comes to a good boil, reduce the heat to low. While our herbal tea is getting ready, tell me in the comments which city you're watching this video from. And if you try this recipe, don't forget to come back and let me know how you liked it. And remember, this is not an overnight skin glow remedy. Now cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the herbs and spices to infuse their flavors and water-soluble compounds into the water. For healthy and glowing skin, the most important things are balanced nutrition, adequate protein, fruits and vegetables, proper hydration, quality sleep, stress management, and regular physical activity. A herbal tea like this can simply be one small part of an overall healthy wellness routine. And most importantly, your skin health isn't determined only by the skincare products you apply from the outside. Your overall nutrition and lifestyle also play an important role in supporting healthy skin. If you'd like to include this tea in your routine, enjoy it in moderate amounts and pay attention to how your body responds. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication for a medical condition, or have an allergy or sensitivity to any of these ingredients, please consult a healthcare professional before consuming it regularly. As you can see, the water has reduced and we're left with approximately 1/2 cup. Now let's turn off the heat. Next, strain the tea into a cup using a strainer. And our beautiful rose and hibiscus herbal tea is almost ready. Look at this beautiful color. And the combination of rose and hibiscus gives it such a lovely aroma. Finally, I'm adding a few drops of fresh lemon juice. This is completely optional. If you enjoy the flavor of lemon, you can add it. It gives the herbal tea a light, refreshing, and tangy taste. But if you experience acidity or discomfort from citrus, you can simply skip the lemon. And that's it. Our rose, hibiscus, ginger, and turmeric herbal tea is ready. If you enjoy simple, natural wellness recipes and tips related to women's nutrition, skin health, and hair health, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who enjoys learning about natural wellness and healthy skin. I'll see you in the next video with another simple wellness tip.